Ready to unlock your piano potential? Welcome to WKMT London's guide on establishing an effective daily practice routine. Let's dive in. First, set clear, achievable goals. Whether it's mastering a new piece or improving your scales, having specific targets keeps you motivated. Next, organize your practice sessions. Divide your time wisely. Start with warm-ups to get your fingers moving, then transition to scales and arpeggios. This builds technical foundation and agility. Remember to include sight reading and ear training. These exercises enhance your musicality and understanding of the piano. Use a metronome to improve your timing. Start slow and gradually increase the speed. Slow practice is your best friend. It helps you focus on accuracy and muscle memory. Don't rush. Perfection takes time. Regular performance reviews and feedback from your teacher are crucial. They provide valuable insights and keep you on track. Incorporate diverse exercises into your routine, not just scales, but also repertoire pieces. This variety keeps your practice engaging and well-rounded. Finally, make your practice sessions productive and fulfilling. With a structured approach, you'll see steady progress and enjoy the journey. Thanks for tuning in to WKMT London. Happy practicing.